I'm gonna watch the white. Which one to play? The widescreen. Which one to play? The widescreen or the full screen? Pick a screen. Full screen. Okay. This is the full screen side. Following previous after Volume System Motion Picture Association America. One day it's what happened. It falls in the ground. It might be.
Michael, thank God. Look, I got a situation.
Arthur Edens to strip down naked in a deposition room in Milwaukee.
You are the senior litigating partner of one of the largest, most respected law firms in the world. You are a legend.
I'm an accomplice!
You are a manic depressive.
I am Shiva, the god of death.
In Mike.
I'm Michael Clayton.
You're late. This is a $3 billion class action lawsuit. The architect of our defense has been arrested for running naked through a parking lot.
Ryan, I can't find the remote to your
Nobody's going to let him do that.
television.
Who the hell's
It's
going
in
to
the
stop
mom's
him?
room.
I spent 12% of my
can't
life
find your
defending the
mom's.
reputation of a deadly
Is it okay if I watch it in the
They killed
big
Michael.
room, in the
New
den?
York needs to know
Wait,
he's
wait.
under control. They've been shook up.
Okay.
They need to be reassured. What are you telling me?
That I'm counting on you?
You're not gonna say exactly what it was.
Just that it was something that would win the whole case.
I'm not the enemy.
Then who are you?
After years of
You got all
doing
these
the
cops
truth.
thinking you're a lawyer. Then you got all these lawyers thinking you're some kind of cop. You got everybody fooled, don't you? You know exactly what
George
you want.
Clooney is Michael Clayton. Have to find it.
You gotta saddle up here, Michael, and get things under control.
What if Arthur was onto something?
Do you know Michael Clayton?
We have a situation.
Stay in the car, lock the door.
What would they do if he went public?
Arthur, open the door.
What would they do?
They're doing it.
Who called it in? Does that make sense to you? This happening
It's
like
never
that?
happened.
Get out. Get out of the car now. I'm not the guy that you kill. I'm the guy that you fire. Are you so blind you don't even see what I am? Do I look like I'm negotiating?
George Clooney. Tom Wilson is Michael Clayton. Coming soon. Battles.
In the beginning, fierce warriors wielded simple weapons. Time passed, and joystick conquerors came of age. With the advent of modern controllers, digital warlords perfected their art. Today at GameTap, mere mortals become virtual heroes. Prepare to take challenges, not prisoners. Take your battles online now, only at GameTap.com.
The following previous after Volume System Motion Picture Association America Inc. Coming out in the weirdest. Stranger Park. 5 years. Stranger's been evicted. Evicted for later. Criminal struggle for survival.
1001. My name is Robert Neville. I'm a survivor living in New York City. I am broadcasting on all AM frequencies. If you are out there, if anyone is out there, please.
Last man on Earth is missing it. Is not alone in years. I am Legend. In theaters 2007.
Welcome to the Quantum Group.
I assure you, it will be an enlightening experience.
No thoughts open your mouth?
I'm here to offer you a chance to live forever.
To the formula.
The formula is the key to our survival. It has shown us the impending fate of mankind and the way out. No one can be left behind.
The teacher's preparing us.
You can't just kidnap two paramedics on a call. If we don't check in, someone's gonna come looking for us to understand that.
By the time they have determined what has happened, we will have gone.
Start the final preparations.
Everyone please report to the level 3 chamber immediately. I fell into a deep sleep, but the teacher woke me up.
I saw you.
You were there.
Now this may hurt a little, but trust me when I say it's for your own good.
When the sun comes up in the morning, the teacher is going to take us to the new world.
Believers, look for it on DVD.
Isn't this the house where all those people died a few years ago?
My sister was one of the few that made it out alive.
You know, they say that the souls of the people who died here still haunt a house.
What the hell is wrong with you people? There's no such thing as ghosts.
The house is going into lockdown.
It was home to some of the most horrific events ever committed. Returning there will be more terrifying
My sister was telling the truth about this place.
than anything you can imagine.
It's true. The house is.
This is where it gets ugly. Go further into the nightmare on high definition,
We're not alone in this house.
where you choose how much horror you can take
Who the hell are you?
by answering questions that pop up on screen. With 96 frightening possibilities, their fate is in your hands.
Desmond, come in. Where are you?
I know how to make it stop.
A unique experience you won't get in theaters. Exclusively on HD DVD and Blu-ray disc.
The house is going to do everything in its power to stop us.
Decide who lives or how they die. Return to House on Haunted Hill. Unrated and uncut on DVD in high definition.
Yeah. by the Classification Administration, www.filmtalkpaa.org. This is a modified and false of original version. It's been formatted for your screen.